For 3 straight seasons, the number 4 has taunted the Arrowhead swim team.
In the back of our head, that number four that we don't want to see again. I've seen it 3 times, the other seniors have seen it 3 times, and we're sick of it.
Our team's definitely tired of getting 4th place. The last 3 years have been a little rough at the state meet, so everybody's motivated and we want it pretty badly.
Unbeaten in dual meet action and ranked number 1 in the state so far, all indications are that these Warhawks are ready to take that next step.
You couldn't have asked for a better start, honestly. All these meets early January, early December, they were all phenomenal for where we're at in the season.
To get back on top of that podium and win state gold and in turn snap that streak of 3 straight 4th place finishes, the Warhawks will rely on a little bit of senior leadership. And by a little, I mean a lot. They have 17 different seniors on this squad.
I mean, all the seniors, we're all on the same page this season, and honestly, the last couple seasons may not have been as dedicated as this one, so we're all ready for state in February.
To be honest with you, I think it's one of our best teams. We have the most seniors and the strongest leadership I've had in quite some time, probably from our first couple of state championships here. This group right now is driven, they are together, and led by some extremely strong seniors.
We are the team that Bob's really looking at as a great team, and you can see the banners all around. Arrowhead has a strong reputation, and I'm just so proud to be a part of it.
It's that strong crop of upperclassmen that only adds to the versatility and overall strength of this team.
We can really put anyone in any event and produce a good result, so it definitely helps during the regular season. But yeah, just having a good all-around team is it really benefits us.
This is the best team that I've ever worked with. I could not have handpicked a better team, and I'm so proud of everyone, and we're going to keep going.